How do I know if it's changing on a table? Well, if the radius goes from positive to 0 to negative, then I know it's changing. And right now this change is going up by pi over 12. Sometimes you're going to need to go in a little bit deeper to this. So see down here where it says press plus for the change of table? If ever I need to go in a little bit farther, I can actually punch points, 1, and go by tenths. So every tenth of an angle, I can figure out what it is if I need to go in a little deeper. And if I'm trying to go, okay, well, I know that it changes right here, and I want to know what that decimal is. Well, let me make my change of table. Instead of 0.1, 0.01. So look at now. I can actually figure out what the decimal is by zooming in on my change of table. And I can figure out to 3 sig figs or 4 sig figs what value we're talking about. So in all these things, if you can give me an exact answer, that would be great. But some of them you're not going to be able to figure out as an exact answer. So 2 to 3 sig figs, well, let's just do this. 3 sig figs is what I'm looking for on this whole back page. So I've given you 2 strategies. One is a graphing strategy to figure out where it is, and I've given you a table strategy to figure out where it is. You're supposed to use both of these to answer the questions that are on worksheet 3, or the last worksheet, the back page. Sometimes you're going to have 2 intervals. Let me remind you. When I was on this one, didn't I start here and go this way? So I would have 1 interval for this part, and then I might have to have another interval for this bottom part. So sometimes you will have to answer with 2 parts to your interval. So I'm hoping that gives you enough information now to be able to do the rest of the worksheet on your own. If not, work together. See if you guys can come up with it together as a team. And that's it. Have fun without me. Be on your best behavior. You're great kids. I'm proud of you today.